Today is 8th of February 2018, which makes it 2 years I lost my dad. So yesterday I realized that I was missing one of my camera lens. It's a kit lens that came with my camera, an 18-135, and it is my most underrated lens. It is my least respected lens. I disregard the lens. I just put it anywhere, so I might have been careless. I don't know where the lens is. I'm on my way to a friend's place to see if I may have left the lens lying about anywhere there. It's not here. I don't know. Well, sad news. I didn't see my lens at my friend's house. So, well, it's what's the lesson in this? Lesson is sometimes we don't value stuff till we lose it. Today makes it 2 years I lost my dad, and today I lost my lens. Okay, so I didn't get to find my lens, and the epiphany that comes with this is you don't know what you've got till you've lost it. I always treated that lens so badly. I never appreciated it. It was the kit lens that came with my camera. You want to see the camera I use? That's my camera. So what I have here is a Canon 80D. I use a Sigma 18-135 lens, and I also have a 50mm. This is my 50mm lens. I used to have 3 camera lenses. Now I seem to have just 2. The 50mm and the 18-35 Sigma, which is on the camera right now. So the missing lens is an 18-135 STM kit lens. Now, what's up with that lens? That lens is not as clear as this lens, but it can go further than both these lenses. That is 1. 2, if I'm going to be using that lens and I'm holding my camera the way I'm holding it right now, it has what they call image stabilization. So image stabilization, when it shakes, the lens tries to stabilize the picture so it doesn't shake too much. It may not even shake at all. So I miss my lens, and it's just like my father, who I had said died 2 years ago today. When he was alive, I really didn't appreciate him much. I just felt like, okay, it's daddy doing it, and I didn't approve of a lot of things that he did then. But now I'm a father. I have responsibilities too, and I understand daily the kind of sacrifice he was making for his family. So we don't know what we've got till we've lost it. We don't appreciate what we have. Some of us don't appreciate our spouses, some of us don't appreciate our work, we don't appreciate what we have. We're looking at other stuff, so this is for all of us who have been naughty. I think we should start appreciating what we have, from our camera lenses to our jobs, to our friends, to our spouses. Let's start appreciating everything we have. And I came to see Apollo here, so let me go and see what's up.